Sir, I think you are the right person to answer my question, sir. If you permit, I would like to ask a question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we deal with the students, particularly the teenagers, and during exams, they face a lot of stress regarding performance, which is created by their parents as well as the society. They are already in a dilemma that how shall they perform and what type of reaction they will get in their society and particularly in their friend circle. So due to that overburden of emotions and sentiments, sometimes students are unable to cope up with the learning atmosphere which we try to create in our classroom teaching learning process.
Correct.
So sometimes what happens, child becomes irritated easily on certain issues, though he knows that teacher is talking in the favor of child and child welfare is the only core in the heart of a teacher. Still, teacher is not getting that type of response from a child. I think the pressure of performance lies on the mind of a child. So what shall we as a teacher do to
Okay.
console the spirit of that child, sir?
Okay. Fantastic question. And just tell me the approximate age of the child you were talking about here.
Sir, it
Age
is
range.
six, yes, 16 to 18, sir.
Oh, 16 to 18 is not child in means anyway,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So the first point. So the first, see, we have to basically work on ourselves first and the child afterward.
Yes, sir.
So wait. Yeah. So the 16 to 80, in my opinion, in today's world are adults.
Yes, sir.
So at our age, we were not knowing many things up to the age 20, right?
Yes,
But
yes, sir.
that was our era. Today, even a 12-year-old knows much more than what we used to know at the age of 21. Agree?
Yes, yes, sir. Agree.
So the 16 to 18 are adults. First, we need to treat them like adults. Point number one.
Okay, sir.
That itself. So we need to change the behavior. We need to behave the way they want,
Yes,
not
sir.
as a teacher.
Yes, sir.
At this age, the teacher is a facilitator.
Yes,
The
sir.
teacher is not the real teacher. Who is the teacher of this particular world? Tell me. Who is the real teacher for this generation? Google.
Yes, sir.
So they have all the information at their fingertips, right? So
Yes,
the
sir.
job of the teacher is not to give information. The job
Yes,
of
sir.
the teacher is to develop the character. And develop the character not by preaching, not by teaching. Develop the
Yes, sir.
character by creating an environment conducive of character transformation,
Okay, sir.
and which is
Okay,
only
sir.
possible by emotional intelligence and NLP. Only ONLY. Only if you
Yes,
know yourself detailed tools, techniques, and processes of the emotional intelligence, and unless you create an environment within your classroom which is conducive of emotional intelligence, right?
yes, sir.
Unless you develop social awareness, social skills, self management, and the self awareness, which is a foundation of emotional intelligence in your students,
Yes, sir.
unless you tell them that the life is much bigger than the study, life is much bigger than the marks, life is
Yes,
much bigger than the SSC, HSC, and the degree, right?
yes,
These are only one part of the marks. So you have to first remove that particular unnecessary pressure of the marks and the study, right? So
yes,
like
yes,
Sadhguru says, Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev
yes,
has
sir.
his own
Yes,
schools, right? So
yes,
in that schools, right? So it is about the learning environment. It is about the character transformation and not about the information, right? So what is that particular environment or the culture you are creating in the classroom? So the root cause is not the student. Root cause is you. So
yes,
once
sir.
we understand that the root cause of the problem is me and not the other person, then
Yes,
only
sir.
the problem can be solved. And
Yes,
first, you enhance your knowledge about emotional intelligence. You create a culture of emotional intelligence. Are your students knowing the value systems they are having? Are they knowing that the life is much bigger than the school, colleges, and the marks and the profession? If you develop that understanding in your students, because you are talking about 16 and 18 years,
15. Yes, sir.
yeah, 15, 16, 18 is adult. As far as
Yes, sir.
means our generation comparison is concerned, right? So you have to deal with
Yes,
them differently. So I
yes, sir.
think it is a very big topic. You need to first get trained, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
as a teacher, we are trained either in the domain knowledge or either in the
Yes, sir.
teaching process. But
Yes, sir.
we have to be taught life skills, life wisdom, right? So once you are through with that, then I think means they are already through. So the beauty is there already through. It is
Yes,
you
sir.
for whom or in whom you have to work.